Hi guys, welcome to AI Bytes Studio, where we break down AI tools and tech in the simplest way possible. Let's get started.
ChatGPT versus Claude. The truth. Nobody tells you. Everyone says one AI is better than the other, but after testing both, the truth is completely different. One is fast, the other is dangerously smart. Meet ChatGPT, the internet's favorite AI, and Claude, the silent genius most people underestimate. Same purpose, but completely different personalities. If ChatGPT was a person, it would be that fast-talking creative friend who always has an answer. Claude? It's the quiet one in the room, but when it speaks, everyone listens. And that difference changes everything. I asked both AIs the same question. ChatGPT replied instantly. Like, instant. Claude? Took a few seconds longer. At first I thought, okay, ChatGPT wins, but then I read the answers. ChatGPT gave a good answer. Clear, useful, fast. Claude's answer, it felt like it actually understood the question deeper, more structured, more thoughtful, less risky. That's when I realized this isn't speed versus speed, it's speed versus intelligence. Let's make this practical. If you're creating YouTube content, writing scripts, brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT is unbeatable. But if you're reading long documents, doing deep research, analyzing complex topics, Claude feels like a senior expert helping you. Here's where most people get it wrong. They try to choose one AI. That's like choosing between speed and accuracy. Why not use both? Here's the truth. ChatGPT is your creator. Claude is your thinker. One generates ideas, the other refines them. And when you combine both, you get something insanely powerful. So now I'm curious, which one do you use more, ChatGPT or Claude? Comment below.
And if you want more real AI breakdowns like this, hit subscribe, like, and share. Howdy, this is AI Bytes Studio.